So the first interview question we are covering is how to fetch employee manager. So there are two ways. Either you can go find the employee position through PA20 in info type 01, that is organization assignment. Okay. So this is the first step you can say. After that, in first way, you will find the position of the employee. And after finding the position, you will go to PO30 transaction code, and under that you will put the position which you have copied from there info type 01, and then you will go to positions info type relationship position. You will open the position and you will select the relationship info type. There you can find the A002 relationship of that position with another position, and the relationship of this position is maintained with other position. Okay, then you will find the position which is linked with this position through A002 relationship, and then you will again go to PO13 and open that position and again select relationship info type. And there you will find a A008 relationship of that the position which you have find, and there one personal number will be maintained, and that personal number when you open in PA20, and when you open that personal number in PA20, that is your current employee's manager. Okay. The other way is same first step. You will find the employee position through PA20 in info type organize assignment. Not the position. You will find the employee or unit. You will find the employee or unit. You will go to PPOSC, and whoever will be the head of that or unit will be the employee's manager. Will be that employee's manager. Okay. So sometime what happened na, in PA or 30, there will not be no any relationship A002 maintained. Okay. So either this can be the scenario whether the A002 relationship is maintained under this employee positions relationship is maintained, this relationship will be maintained, then through that you can find the employee manager. If it is not maintained, then you will follow the second way. We'll go to PA20, find the org unit, and then you will go to PPOSing and you will find the whoever will be the head of that org unit will be the employee manager. Okay. And this is the second question which I want you guys to try from your end, and whatever will be your opinion on that question, second question, you can write it in the comment box of this video uploaded. Thank you. Bye.